What's up guys, welcome back to my name. Today we're going to be solving a box puzzle, but before I get solving it, I'm going to show you a quick magic trick. I'm going to give the deck a few shuffles, yeah, and then you can say stop whenever you want. So you can say stop right there, remember that card, yeah, you remember that card, but I already know what it is. It's the 9 of diamonds. So that was a pretty simple trick. I'm going to show that tomorrow, and let's get started in this puzzle. So here's the puzzle. All the pieces here are supposed to go into the box, and this is the cover, I guess. And then these pieces have like balls on them, and then there's also holes. And then some of them don't have holes, and some of them have holes. I don't know, this is a new puzzle. So I think with these puzzles you should do it backwards. So let's just build on top of the cover. So the plan with this, I think, is to have as much holes so the pieces can fit inside. So it creates more room. Because if it doesn't have holes, so for example, this middle ball can't fit on this middle ball because it doesn't fit. So I think that's the plan. So let's just get as much holes as possible and as less balls as possible. So this piece has 2 holes. So I'm gonna get rid of this ball by putting it on the bottom. This has 2 balls and this has 1, so I'm gonna put that on the bottom. And then this one has 2, and I want to get. So if you did that the other way, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's only 1. So I think that's pretty good. And then you can fit the balls on here, and then here, and then here. But that didn't work. Okay, back to square one. Maybe I'll sort them so that I can know which pieces to put in first. So this one has 3 balls, this one has 3 as well. So that is probably going to be put in first. And these one have 2. And then this one has 2. This one has 2, and this one has 2, this one has 2, and then these have 1 only. So these should be put in last because there's 2 holes. So let's try putting the ones with like that. Like that. Oh, I got it. There we go. We got it. We solved it. I'm just going to put the top on. Why is it not fitting? Okay, there we go. We solved it, as you can see. Every piece is inside. But I think that was a bit easier. We solved it, as you can see. Every piece is inside. But I think that was a bit easier. And I think I think that was easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and get, so when you look down through, every ball will show up. I think that's going to be possible because that was just my only solution. There's only one part that is not a ball, so let's try that. So I think the plan is still the same, doing it backwards. And you have to have lots of holes at the beginning. So you're going to put the holes in here, so when you look through here, there's this. But if you look through here, this is already bad because there's no way that you can put this one through. So let me just see the pieces. But this won't, but this one will. Because if you look through, there's a hole here. So this might work. How about this one? This one can as well. This one can't. This one can't. This one can. Because, okay, I think I know the pattern. The pattern is that the pieces that are flat can go in. So this is possible because there are holes in this. There are holes. Every piece is filled apart from the holes, and there are no like flat blocks. So I think this is a good start. So let's continue. Let's put this. And I think you have to fit every hole in this as well. Or maybe you can do it last. I don't know. So you can fit both holes here. So now these two are now filled. This one, blah blah blah. So these three pieces, I think these three pieces are causing trouble because these three pieces all have a ball on both sides. So you need 3 holes to solve this, but there's only 2 holes. So I think you have to get as much holes after the second layer as much as possible. So that's the one. So this is the only one here. I just what I'm supposed to look like. If I know how the bottom looks like, it's gonna be much easier. Here, that's not bad. Okay, this has the possibility of working. Put this one here. Put this one here and put this one here. Okay, I'm so excited. It might work finally if I can put the top on. And we solved it. And there is a ball in every single hole. And that is the puzzle, I guess. I don't think there will be any more harder things that. So we solved the puzzle. We solved both of where you have to put all the pieces in. So we solved that, and then we also solved the second part, which when you see from the top, you can see all 9 balls inside of it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to know how this magic trick is done, make sure to stick around for tomorrow's video, and see you tomorrow. Bye.